always. Be ready for surah.
قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Be ready for pledge.
All of you raise your right hand. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers,
I shall give respect to my parents, teachers,
and all elders,
and
teach everyone with courtesies.
And treat everyone with courtesy.
To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and poverty alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Be ready for school song. And our class teacher Mrs. Kavitha Sibi and our Hindi teacher Mrs. Sifat Shaheen. I Abdullah Masood wish you all a very pleasant and refreshing morning. We started our morning assembly by praying gratitude Almighty by reciting Surah from the Holy Quran by Master Muhammad Umar. We pay homage to our motherland. So the pledge was guided to you by Master Faizan Mayunuddin. Let's have thought for the day by Master Razak and Master Vikran.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Razak Ahmed. Thought of the day. Safety is about doing the right thing, even if no one is looking, because safety starts with me. I repeat, safety is doing the right thing, even if no one is looking, because safety starts with me. Thank you.
प्रभात, मेरा नाम विक्रांत है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज का सुविचार, सुरक्षा जीवन का अर्थ है। सुरक्षा के बिना सब व्यर्थ है। मैं फिर से कहता हूँ, सुरक्षा जीवन का अर्थ है। सुरक्षा के बिना सब व्यर्थ है। धन्यवाद।
Now I would like to invite Master Abdullah Salim to give a speech on safety.
Good morning, everyone. I am Abdullah Salim from class 2nd B. I am happy that you are giving me a bit of to hear me out. Today I am going to talk about general safety. Every day we read about dangerous in the newspaper because of unsafe practices. Therefore, one should do everything they can not to get into an accident of any kind by following the safety rule. Safety means being free from harm and free from the risk of future harm as well. There are several different precautions that we can take to stay safe. Safety in the workplace. In the office, always follow guidance on how to use equipment and watch for steps or things that you may trip over. Safety on the roads. Follow the highway code. Do not drink and drive, and make sure to look for oncoming vehicles before crossing. Safety and health. Boost your immune system with a diet rich in vitamins, exercise regularly, and get regular medical checkups. Safety at home. Keep sharp objects away from children. Switch off hot stoves and irons when they are not in use. It is we who decide our fate, thus we should be cautious at all times. It is easy to stay safe if we take a few precautions. Thank you.
We all see traffic signal on road. Let's call Master Harsh Mandelia to say more about it.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. I am Harsh. I am studying in 2nd standard. My school name is International Indian School. Today I dressed up as a traffic signal. Please follow the traffic signal rules. We have to wait while stop while red light. We have to wait while yellow light. We have to go while green light. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now let's listen a Hindi speech by Master Sayyid Mayunuddin.
नाम सैयद मोइनुद्दीन कादरी है। मैं कक्षा 2B में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरी स्पीच का शीर्षक है सुरक्षा का पालन करना। हमें गीले हाथों से बिजली के उपकरणों को हाथ नहीं लगाना चाहिए। अगर हमने गीले हाथों से बिजली के उपकरणों को हाथ लगा दिया तो हमें शॉक लग सकता है। हमें नुकीली चीजें जैसे चाकू, कैंची और आग से नहीं खेलना चाहिए। हमें सीढ़ियों पे नहीं भागना चाहिए, हमें सड़क पे नहीं भागना चाहिए, हमें फर्नीचर पे नहीं कूदना चाहिए। हमें खिलौने और किताबें इस्तेमाल करे बाद उन्हें उनकी सही जगह पर रखना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
You all know about a free brigade, fire brigade. So let's call upon Master Muhammad Adil to speak about it.
Hello, good morning, friends. I am Adil, here dressed up as fireman. Do you know who is a fireman? Yes, I am I work with fire brigade to extinguish fire. If there any beside fire, I rescue people and animals in emergency situations. To do this job, we should be brave, strong, quick, and thinking. If a fire occurs in your home, get out, stay out, and call for help. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Be ready for Saudi National Anthem.
سيري للمد والأيام مددي خالق السماء وارفع الله أكبر من النور المسبب رجمي الله أكبر يا موطني هو الإشوى المسلمي فاش الملك العالم والوطن.
Be ready for Indian National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे